To start this project out, we are going to stain our board with walnut wood tint. So grab your gloves, a paper towel or rag, and your wood stain and start applying the stain to the board. Get the surface entirely covered as well as the sides. Then once you've got it all coated, you'll take a clean paper towel and you'll rub off all the extra. Next up, we are going to get our vinyl ready. So cut the word welcome off of your vinyl, we won't be using that piece, and then place your vinyl on the board where you'd like it. Once you know where you're going to put it, you can rub the top of the surface of the vinyl, peel the backing off, flip it over, stick it all down, and then peel up that transfer tape. Next, you'll take your tape or your washi tape and you're going to create a straight line right above where your vinyl is. You are taping off the section that you are going to paint with your cottage white chalk paint. So next up, you're going to grab your cottage white chalk paint and a foam brush and apply paint over the masking tape and over the vinyl. You'll do this about 3 coats until you get it to a nice white color. Then you'll set that aside to dry and you will paint the top of the word welcome with your cottage white chalk paint. This will also take about 3 coats of paint. Once your paint is all dry, you can peel up the vinyl. Using a pin helps to get underneath the vinyl. And then you can also peel off that masking tape. Next, we're going to take all of our pieces, lay them all out on the board so we know where everything wants to go, and then we are going to create our bow out of burlap. So you'll make 2 loops on each side, and you'll secure in the middle with some floral wire. And the last thing you're going to do is take your hot glue gun and secure everything to the board. So we applied hot glue to the back of the word welcome, and we put it down right above the line where the chalk paint meets the walnut stain. And then we also used hot glue to glue down our greeneries and our ribbon. And then you're ready to display it.